It's about time to show some love to who you call daddy. You see me out there on the course playing golf badly, doing my daddy dancing saggy pants ass pops. I'm known for wearing my shorts and black socks.
With sandals, beer belly, love, handle. Who's dear old dad? I'll give you a few examples. Look, I'm telling real drunk stories, but nobody's listening. My main interest on football, bowling, and fishing.
In the summertime, I never care what you're doing. Pardon me for showing plumbers crack on barbecuing. Hiding out in the bathroom on my iPad. I say I miss you kids and all I get is hi, Dad.
My New Balance are great, I might casually say I'd be a star if I didn't throw my talents away. But every long your father, so show me some respect. And with my father's they gift, you better come correct. I feel like decent wise better than another